Hi, my name is Dan Hotman. I'm one of your instructional coaches in the Palmdale School District, and we're going to take a look at how to organize your Google Classroom. Now, if you notice, I have assignments in this classroom, but there's just sort of a big list. There's no rhyme or reason as far as what these assignments go to. In other words, I don't know if it's science, I don't know if it's social studies, I just don't know. All I know is I have a list of assignments. Now imagine yourself as a student trying to find that one assignment that they need to finish. All that ends up doing is just keeps building up and building up and building up. So what I suggest is to group your assignments some way, somehow. In this case, I have assignments grouped by date. So on November 8th, the students would be filling out these assignments. Now these are differentiated assignments. On the 7th, here's the assignments they need to finish. So they're grouped, so it makes it real easy to be able to find what might be missing or what work that needs to be completed. If a student's absent on the 7th and they come back on the 8th, they know what work they need to get caught up on. Again, it's about the organization. So I chose date. Now, whether or not you use date, whether you use subject, whether you use the week, that's up to you. Just be careful that the topics aren't so generic that you still end up with a big list just under a certain topic name. Remember to create topics. We go to the create button and we can create a topic here. Or if we are creating an assignment, we can also do that inside of the assignment itself and create a new topic. So either way, it's completely up to you how you want to do it, but inside the assignment is where we group them. Now, if you do end up taking an assignment, and if it is an assignment that you've created but you don't give it a topic, so I'm going to move this one out. Google Classroom has made it very easy where I can just take this assignment and I can just drag it right in, and now it's classified under that topic. So like I said, it's very easy to sit there and group them up. You just need to find what works for you. If you need help with organizing your Google Classroom, reach out to one of us tech coaches. We'd be more than happy to sit down with you and help you out. Have a great day.